Being blind or having a visual impairment can have a significant impact on the life of a young person, but there are many ways they can remain in control, particularly in the kitchen, where organization is key. This video will demonstrate how, by organizing and adapting the kitchen work area, a visually impaired young person will not only be able to locate kitchen items easily, but will be perfectly capable of cooking a meal and have the confidence to maintain a strong sense of independence. Before cooking starts, it is important to clearly label cupboards in both large text and Braille. The contents list should be placed in an easy-to-reach position and should not be too lengthy in size. Placing large photos on the inside door showing the cupboard's contents is useful for pupils who are visually impaired. Large trays with sections clearly labeled in Braille help the young person easily locate required equipment. For ease, try not to put more than 2 to 3 items in each compartment. A basket containing small pieces of equipment, such as cutlery, is also useful. Establishing a well-organized food preparation routine is vitally important. Using the chopping board as the central point, a visually impaired young person can then systematically place their equipment and ingredients where they can always be located. For example, in this video, the young person places the ingredients that require chopping at the top left of his chopping board, and what he has already chopped at the right side or straight into a bowl. The sharp knife is always placed up against the right side of the chopping board, handle lined up with the bottom of the board, blade facing in. The young person then trails his hand alongside the bottom of the chopping board to locate the knife's handle before safely picking it up. Please note that the young person can choose where he wants to place equipment and ingredients, as long as the same routine is followed each time. This ensures safety and builds confidence. When chopping vegetables, the bridge method ensures safety. With a firm grip, the supporting hand is placed on top of the ingredient. The ingredient is then sliced using a knife in the dominant hand. Judge the correct placement of the knife by feeling where your fingers are while in the bridge position. When adding other ingredients, decant solids and liquids from larger containers into a small dish like a ramekin. Using your finger as a guide, pour in the required amount. For larger quantities, decant ingredients into a pouring jug first. When adding each ingredient, always locate your bowl to ensure they land correctly. Bring tray close to hob so it's easy to locate. Open oven door carefully, especially if it is a fan oven. Gently tap rack with tray before placing in oven. Remember, always return equipment to the correct position when cooking is completed. In order for this system to work, it is crucial that items are back where they belong as soon as you're finished, so that they can be located the next time you're in the kitchen.